do remember the Eiffel Tower now.
Wow.
Oh my god. Wow.
That's beautiful.
That's so
See how
beautiful.
genius you got?
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's delicious. Look at the white one.
Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. I love how they flash. This is gorgeous.
Look at them, we'll take a picture.
Wow. It looks so good.
And look at that. Gel.
Yeah.
The,
Where?
the little flashing thing.
Oh. Oh wow. What happened to this one?
Oh, that one didn't get charged.
It's like fireworks, Dad. It's fireworks. You know why I didn't get charged? Because the solar panel's not okay. Tomorrow it'll work. Wow, these are beautiful. Look how long your guys' property is. I know, it's so long.
One time there was, like, I think we ordered, it's like Grab, like Uber.
Yeah.
Uber Eats. Here they call Grab. And they're like, and then, you know, they have to check in with the security there. And then security was telling them, oh, you know, make a turn here, make a turn there. And then you will see the Eiffel Tower on top. Oh, okay. Galanggat, tingnan mo, parang may na-book, may na ano. Tingnan mo, lika. May nakausli. Sa Eiffel Tower, oh. Oh, may nakausli, oh.
It's okay. He will fix it. Because somebody will come and wrap it around with plastic.
It's like
Wrap it around with
sticking
the
out.
plastic.
Somebody, they just need to put it back.
Okay.
And they're gonna wrap it in. You choose to have plastic, but then, you know, after so many typhoons, it came off, and so they're gonna put it back.
Well, when it's a typhoon here, like, is it just raining hard?
Raining hard.
Because it was raining hard yesterday, so is that not considered hard to you?
No, it's raining hard, windy, and lots of floods.
Does it flood in the street?
Not here. We don't have floods, but in other areas. So it's sad because some people hasn't recovered yet.
Oh wow.
Haven't recovered yet. Then another typhoon. Okay, there's a lot of mosquitoes here, probably. So let's go. Tingnan mo ga. Good morning, guys. Good morning, world. Ayan, ang bilis ko nakagawa ng breakfast, guys. Oh, para akong karinderya. Daming order. Oh, tirang tofu, itlog, padala ni ate, beef longganisa, garlic fried rice, meron ding steamed rice, tapos itong leftover kagabi. Oh, sayang pag hindi kainin. Iinit natin. Ay, ang ingay ng exhaust. Sorry. Sayang ang mga tirat, guys, di ba? Oh, sa ating iinit. Gusto naman nila. Oh. Ano ito? Sizzling hotdog. Tira kagabi. Ayan, samahan nyo kami pagkain, guys. Balik sila ulit na Adidas. May bibilhin daw na naman. That's nice, the colors.
That's so smart that you can add the handle.
Instead of like when you buy, like it's already put together, and then you cannot like change the colors.
Yeah.
Hindi nagli-leak? Hindi po nagli-leak?
Wow.
So I don't lose the cap.
Yeah. And then you have.
Oh, so you don't lose the cap, it won't fall. Ay, paano?
That's nice.
So when you open this, ay, paano?
There.
Also, you don't drop it.
Because that's what I would be scared of.
Yeah, and then it's so small that you... Oh, okay, and then you can carry like this. Oh, if I still work, I would buy one.
Yeah. Right, Mom? Nice, Mom. You don't want one?
JR, come here. Come here. I'll buy for Yuri. For Yuri. Okay, and then I'll pay for yours.
No, stop.
No. That's my gift to you and Yuri. But you pick the colors. You can come back. You can pick the colors.
Or do you want to put your name for the receipt?
Doesn't matter. Kukuha pa kami ng isa. Kaya lang doon pa siya, pipili siya.
Then we have
This is the right size you want?
yeah. Same as the peanut. Okay. Then copy for the okay. Is it okay to add 5 pesos for the pizza bag? No, I have a tote bag. Can I see these options? Sorry.
If it rusts, if it starts to sweat outside, or if it leaks,
Okay.
then they can.
That's good, right?
It's even better than
Basta tabi nila yung receipt.
Wow.
That's crazy. Nakakapagpa-engrave pala.
Perfect. It's actually perfect.
That's crazy. Can you imagine?
I know.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
And the font is nice.
Yeah.
I know. I'm so stoked.
That is so cool.
Wow, perfect. That looks great.
Thank you so much.
Wow, nice. You got the square.
No. That's
That's just. Oh, okay. That's cute.
wow.
And the colors are correct. And
I'm
everything.
excited. This is my best one.
Best.
Thank you.
Mom. Salamat.
Thank you. Salamat.
Mom.
Huh?
Thank you for
JR
buying it, Mom.
JR said he wants to wait. Doesn't know if Yuri will want a water bottle.
Okay.
Mama should take it to work.
I know.
Yeah,
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Oh, gusto niya rin, oh. Si JR hindi pa makapag-decide.
Versus.
I like these unique shapes.
Mm-hmm. Like you don't see it.
Yeah. I've never seen it.
And I like it that you can drink in a small,
Yeah.
like a real water bottle.
Yeah. It's good quality.
Oh, yours is called Bubble Flask.
Oh, yeah.
That one is Robo Flask. This is Pebble. Ah.
Yeah, probably. I just want to see. I'm still deciding that. I also want this.
Sorry.
Yep. Clean.
And then for the boot, the cup, and the handle, sir, it's all black.
Yes.
And it's the less
Yes. Thank you. That's nice. I'm gonna drink more water.
Yeah.
What you used to always like how
I had a Owala.
Yeah.
He didn't like the color.
Yeah. Some engraving if possible.
You like this color?
Yeah.
Ah, it's fun.
That's, nice. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I'll take this one.
Oh, it's cute. I'll pay for it, anak. cute.
Start ko na siya, ma.
Start na? Start na?
Yeah.
But it's a different cap. They just,
No, no, no.
yeah. Galing ng mga ganito, ano? Nakakatuwa na naglalagay ng pangalan. Siya, nobya niya, Koreana. Yun naman isa Haponesa. Hapon, pero 75% Hapon, 25%, 12.5% German, 12.5% Irish. Pero hindi siya mukhang Haponesa, no?
No, she will. That's all over too.
It's nice that it's personalized.
Yeah.
It makes it more special.
I know. It's her birthday in November.
Oh.
So I'm gonna give this to her for her birthday.
That's cute.
Ah, sige. Bumili si Angel ng charger para sa MacBook ko kasi nasira na. Ayan. Thank you, anak.
Last time the whole office setup, this time just a charger.
Last time, the whole setup ang binili nila ni JR.
Keyboard, monitor, mouse, light.
Now, just a charger.
One charger, Mom. I'm kidding.
Thank you anyway.
Thanks, Mom. No, I'm kidding.
And now we got this in Thailand for like $3.
Oh, nice.
It's nice because it's a stand.
iPhone 17 Magic Chromatic. You know what he's wearing?
Look at this shirt, it's nice.
It's so cool. It still says Power Mac Center. I want that.
Gusto daw nila, sir, ang t-shirt mo.
Yeah.